Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I would like to show you the side braided French braid that I was wearing the last 2 weeks. I don't know how many times, just because it's so comfortable. And I'm going to show you how I do this braid. So just start by sectioning off the front section. I have a slightly side parting already diagonally. Take 3 strands and start with the one that is beside your part line and bring it over the middle strand, and then the right hand side over the middle strand. And now before you bring over the left side again, that is closer to the parting, you add in some new hair, small portions from this side where you start the braid, and bring it again over the middle. I'm always grabbing the middle strand under because it's easier for me. So we want to go by this side, pull the braid in that direction, take another extra portion of hair and add it to the side strand, and now do the same again from the middle line. Please respect the line, otherwise you cannot see the side parting, and we want it to be seen. So bring a small portion to that left hand strand and bring it over the middle. Now right side again. If you slide in with your index finger and then grab the strand, you can bring them directly over the middle strand, both together. Pull tight for not loosening up. Now we are nearly at the end of our parting, and then we switch. When we've switched, you now don't take from the very front the hair, take it from more or less the middle of the parting, the new portion, add it to the right hand strand and bring it over the middle. Do the same now again from over the ear, grab some hair, join it together and bring it over the middle strand, pull tight. Now we are going a bit more up. This makes that the hair looks smoother and joins on the same line more or less next to your braid. And this makes you see very good later the side braid, because we're not covering it up with some strands that we pull over. The technique is always the same. You have your strand, you add in a portion of hair, smooth everything out by going through it with your finger. If you add some oil before, this is also a good option. And you see that I'm taking more hair from the right hand side, the hair that I bring in later to make the effect of a side braid. When I'm braiding a model, then it's easier to control, but for me, as I'm not seeing what I'm doing, I need to braid first the side and then add in the extra hair from the opposite side. And like this, I achieved that. I hope you like the result. When we are in the neck, you just have to add in, like in a regular French braid, the rest of the hair, as I'm wearing my braid in the middle of the neck. So now I have my 3 strands, and I'm going always with the outer strand over the middle, and now left over the middle. And you see I'm grabbing my strands when I'm braiding myself, not going over. And the moment I can, I turn back to the front, because it's so much easier to braid when you do not have your hands on your back. Right over the middle, left over the middle. And when you see that short ends are starting to stick out, then just take the hair tie that I have here prepared on my wrist, matching my shirt. Have you seen that? And this is already the final result. It took me 5 minutes, more or less, perhaps 6. I hope you like it. You can, of course, always pancake a bit the braid, so make it fluffier. Pull carefully at the outer edges. If you just pull on the strands where you add in the hair, it will give extra volume to your braid. This is my side part line, whatever braided French braid. If you like it, please leave us a comment down below, and Give us a thumbs up. Hope to see you back soon. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.